Hola, I'm Eva,
Hola, I'm Guadalupe.
and today we're doing greetings.
Hola means hello.
Hola.
Buenos dias means good morning.
Buenos dias. Buenas tardes means good evening.
Buenas tardes.
Buenas noches means good night.
Buenas noches. Hola, my name is Guadalupe.
And I'm Maria.
And today we're going to be learning about goodbyes. Adios means goodbye.
Adios.
Tango que irme means I have to go.
Tengo que irme. Hasta luego means see you later.
Hasta luego.
Hasta pronto means until soon.
Hasta pronto. Now we will be learning how to introduce a third person. So for a girl, you would say, ella se llama, which means she is called.
And for a boy, you would say él se llama, which means he is called.
Today we will be learning about introductions. Como te llamas means what's your name.
Como te llamas?
Que tal means what's happening or how's it going.
Que tal? Como estás means how are you?
Como estás? Now we will be doing responses. So, how you respond to como te llamas is me llamo, then you would say your name. Que tal, you would say yo estoy bien gracias, which means I am good, thank you.
To respond to como estás, you would say yo estoy mal, which means I am bad. Or you could use yo estoy bien gracias.
Hola, me llamo Guadalupe. ¿Cómo te llamas?
Que tal? Me llamo Eva.
Bien, ¿y tú?
Muy bien, ¿quiénes?
Esta es Maria.
Hola.
Tengo que irme.
Adios.
Hasta luego. We're going to learn how to say numbers in Spanish. 1 is uno, 2 is dos, 3 is tres, 4 is cuatro, 5 is cinco, 6 is seis, 7 is siete, 8 is ocho, 9 is nueve, 10 is diez, 11 is once, 12 is doce, 13 is trece, 14 is catorce, and 15 is quince.
16 is dieciséis, 17 diecisiete, 18 dieciocho, 19 diecinueve, 20 veinte, 21 veintiuno, 22 veintidós, 23 veintitrés, 24 veinticuatro, 25 veinticinco, 16 veintiséis, 17 veintisiete, 28 veintiocho, 29 veintinueve, and 30 treinta.
Now we will be learning the months in Spanish. In Spanish, you do not capitalize the beginning of the month. In January is enero, February is febrero, March is marzo, April is abril, May is mayo, June is junio, July is julio,
August is agosto, September is septiembre, October is octubre, November is novembre, December is decembre.
Now we will be learning how to ask the month and respond to it. To ask it, you would say, ¿Cuál es la fecha de hoy? And to answer, you would say, es el, the number de month. So an example is, es el cinco de agosto. We'll be learning how to tell time and say time, and how to respond to that question. So the question you would say would be, ¿Qué hora es? To respond to that, you would say, son las, the hour, y minute. So here's an example.
Son las dos y cinco.
Another way to respond to it is son las, hour, minute. The reason why we do that is because we only know the numbers up to 30. So here's an example.
Son las tres menos diez.
Next you would say, another one you would say is es la una, which means it's 1 o'clock. The reason why it's different is because one is singular and all the other ones are plural. We will be doing examples on how to tell time and how to say the month and day. Our first example is, it's 1:20 in English. So in Spanish you would say, es la una de veinte.
And this one is 155 in English. In Spanish, it's son las dos menos cinco.
For the months, this one says it is the 12th of September. In Spanish, you would say es el 12 de septiembre.
And this one says it is the 17th of April. So es la 17 de abril. Conjugation means putting verbs and pronouns together. Why do we do it? Because we want the sentence to make sense. Yo means I, tú means you, but it's informal. Él means he, ella means she, usted means you, but it's formal.
Nosotros means we, but you use nosotros when you have males and females in a group. Nosotras also means we, and it's only used when you have all females. Ellos is they, and it's used when females and males are in a group. Ellas also means they, and it's only used when it's a group of females. And ustedes means you all.
Here are some examples of pronouns and verbs. Ella es de Indiana, which means she is of Indiana. Tú eres mi mejor amiga, which means you are my best friend.
Nosotros somos compañeros de clase, which means we are classmates.
Now we are doing verbs. Ser means to be. You would use soy with yo, eres with tú, es with él, ella, and usted, somos with nosotros and nosotras, and ellos, ellas, and ustedes you use son. Ser means, or it is permanent, and it's where you're from, ID, possession, date, and time.
Estar also means to be. You use estoy with yo, estás with tú, está with él, ella, usted, estamos with nosotros, nosotras, están with ellos, ellas, and ustedes. Star means temporary, and you use it for feelings and location.
Here are some phrases on the verbs we've already learned.
For a boy, you would say el estudiante, mi profesor, mi mejor amigo, el muchacho, un compañero de clase, and señor. An example would be tú eres mi mejor amigo.
And for girls, we would say la estudiante, mi profesora, mi mejor amiga, el muchacha, una compañera de clase, señorita. An example is ellos están en Indiana.
Here are 5 examples using verbs in sentences. Ustedes están muy bien.
Nosotros estamos mal.
Ellos son los profesores.
Nosotros somos muchachos.
Él está más o menos.